side, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.
This video I will be reviewing a new wig that I got from Premium Lace Wig. So this is everything that comes with the wig. Here we have our wig. So they also send you some lashes. You also get a rat tail comb and some stocking caps. Alright you guys, so this is what the wig is looking like that I got from them. Now this is their unit with the, it does come with the 4C edges, and this is their deep curly unit. This is what the hair is looking like. Also get a 13x6 lace cap. You do get a pretty deep parting space in there, as you guys can see. The unit does come with the combs on the inside and an extra elastic band in the back. Like, those are the 4C baby hairs that comes on your wig. This is what it's looking like. Then to lay down my wig, I am using my FN1 lace bond. Also, before laying down my unit, I'm just going to go in and cut off all this excess lace.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes and we speak tunes and really. Right now from the side now, come on then. Calm down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. City from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me.
I'm actually really liking like the fluffy edges. To be honest, I'm not really a fan of like the extreme baby hairs, but I feel like this is really cute. I mean, to each his own, everyone have their own opinion, but me personally, I feel like it looks really good. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but comments down below, let me know how you guys feeling it. So far, I'm not really getting any shedding from the hair. I would also say that the wig is true to length. I got mine in a 24-inch. This is their deep curly unit with the 4C edges. I will have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys. But yeah, so far this is what the hair is looking like. It looks really good. The hair also feels really nice. It is pretty full. I'm not too sure the density of this wig. So far so good. Like I said, this wig is from Premium Lace Wig, and their wigs are very affordable as long as you take good care of them. If you're not taking good care of your wig, obviously it's gonna go bad very fast, just like your natural hair. Like, it tangles and mats up. But as long as you take care of your wig, you guys, it will definitely last you a while. I have worked with this company in the past, like probably a year and a half ago. Their hair is very cheap. Like, when I say cheap, like super affordable, but their wig does last if you take good care of it. Remember I said, emphasize on the take care of the wig part, okay? As long as you take proper care of your wig and you maintain it really well, you will have no issues with your wig. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this wig review. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the wig, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already to my channel. That way you will not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.